Today we're going to talk about the breathing ball. This is a great way to calm your body down when you're feeling stressed or anxious. Remember, when you're doing breathing exercises, always breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth using slow, deep breaths. Alright, so you're going to place your hand on your chest. Imagine your lungs getting bigger as you breathe in through your nose, and your lungs getting smaller as you breathe out through your mouth. This is my breathing ball. Imagine your lungs getting bigger as the ball gets bigger and as you breathe in through your nose. And your lungs getting smaller as the ball closes and you breathe out through your mouth. Alright, let's try this 3 times, focusing on your breathing and how your lungs are getting bigger and smaller. Great job! But you won't always have your breathing ball on you. Instead, you can use something that will always be on you, your hands. So you're going to place your hands like this and imagine your lungs getting bigger as you breathe in through your nose, and your lungs getting smaller as you breathe out through your mouth. Now let's try this 3 times together. All right, great job, guys. That was the breathing ball.